Lenni Lobel here with PASS, inviting you to join me this November in Seattle for a full-day developer deep dive into Azure Cosmos DB, Microsoft's NoSQL database service designed specifically for modern mobile and web applications. In this short video, I'll briefly describe some of the compelling features of this emerging platform that we'll be exploring in much greater depth on November 6th at PASS Summit. Cosmos DB is massively scalable and supports databases of virtually unlimited size. Just create a container and let Cosmos DB automatically manage the growth of your data using server-side horizontal partitioning. You just set the partition key and let Cosmos DB do the rest, working behind the scenes to constantly balance partitions in the container as you ingest more and more data, resulting in seamless, elastic storage that scales indefinitely. But you don't need to just scale storage, you also need to scale throughput. So Cosmos DB guarantees the performance that you need by allowing you to reserve any number of request units per second that your application requires. So we get predictable performance with Cosmos DB that you can raise and lower at will to accommodate whatever demand your users put on the database. Cosmos DB always reports the number of request units consumed with every operation. And the portal has tons of customizable charts and graphs that report on throughput, so it's easy to predict just how much it costs to run your database. And Cosmos DB is a global database, meaning it can easily replicate your data across the world, giving your users low latency, single-digit millisecond response times wherever they are. To date, there are 50 Azure data centers worldwide, and all you do is click on a map in the portal, and Cosmos DB automatically distributes your data to the regions that you choose, bringing it closer to the user no matter where they're located. Cosmos DB has multiple APIs and supports multiple data models. You can go with a document model using the SQL and MongoDB APIs, key value using the table API, graph using the Gremlin API, or columnar with the Cassandra API. It's your choice about how you'd like to treat your data, and it really makes no difference to Cosmos DB which data model you choose. In any case, you can scale your database with horizontal partitioning, provisioned throughput, and global distribution. Learn how to use the SQL API, which provides a special version of structured query language that's tailored for querying and manipulating hierarchical JSON documents. There are many operators and built-in functions, including spatial functions. By storing spatial data inside your JSON documents as GeoJSON, you can run spatial queries that calculate distances and intersections across your geocoded data. And we'll explore the Cosmos DB resource model, which also provides a unique server-side programming experience. So you can write fully transactional stored procedures, triggers, and user-defined functions and deploy them to execute right inside the Cosmos DB service itself. Then discover the power of graph databases in Cosmos DB, where you model not only your entities, but all their relationships as well. Learn how to use the Gremlin API to populate the graph and then easily query across all the connections that exist in the model. Hopefully, I've whet your appetite to learn more. So I hope you'll join me in Seattle this November for PASS Summit, where I'll cover all these features and more to get you up to speed on Cosmos DB. I'll see you then.